lecture, I'm going to discuss how to install Git on Ubuntu, Debian, Linux, Mint operating system. So first here, open their terminal, and then after you need to write the simple command sudo apt -get install git. So this one you need to write sudo apt get install git. Let's enter give the password. Then all this will take your 24.5 MB. There's the space right there. Why press enter? So this is now installing this game on one operating system. So it is installing. For this one, it must be connected because this here it's some on the install that has done. After that, let's use the clear command. Check the git version. Want to check right there. Git -% So 2.4 that install. After that, if you write git, then you can get this. So this has been command other and go there. So status launched anytime. So this is how we can install this in our Ubuntu operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So I this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.